What's the meaning of blandly? Blandly. Blandly.
Blandly. Blandly. The word blandly refers to the manner in which someone speaks or behaves in a dull, uninteresting, and unemotional way. It suggests a lack of passion or enthusiasm, and can be seen as a polite but insincere demeanor. It can also imply a lack of interest or concern in the subject at hand. When used to describe food, blandly refers to something that is lacking in flavor or spice. Blandly can also suggest a lack of creativity or originality. Overall, it connotes a certain monotony or sameness, and is generally not regarded as a desirable characteristic.